Little continuation of the LG buffer board repairs. Gonna show you that it works. Actually, this is the second time I tested. First time you seen it, this would be the second time turning it on. Now you're probably wondering, like, why in the world is this guy's TV upside down? And there's an easy solution for that. I don't have a stand. And the TV speakers are at the bottom, as you can see right here at the bottom. So if you leave the TV upright, you take a chance on snapping the bottom speakers off. They're like really flimsy. I mean, real flimsy. So I didn't want to lean the TV up against it because that's a lot of glass, but I'll turn the camera upside down so you can see it. Oops. Crisp, clear, noise. Well, there you have it. Another video tutorial coming from Komar. Talk to you later. Out.